Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Aika, and if you're new here, I think you should subscribe to my channel by hitting the red button down below and also press the bell button to be notified each time I upload a new video. Also, I'm currently doing an international giveaway of a beautiful Dolce & Gabbana Dauphin card holder. So if you want to enter to that giveaway, I will leave a link to that video with all the information down in the description box below so you can check it out and yeah, enter the giveaway. The chances are super high of winning, so make sure to do that. I quickly wanted to show you the coffee that I am currently drinking. So I received a package from Skinny Coffee Club. Thank you so much for sending me this. But basically it's a coffee that makes you lose weight not doing anything. It looks like so. Let me show it to you. It's just like a coffee powder inside, and it tastes like, I was surprised. I was really scared to try it. I'm like, I don't know why, but I have this fear of trying new things. I don't like it, but I was scared to try it because I was afraid that the taste wouldn't be good. But in fact it tastes like a regular coffee. I don't add any sugar and I don't add regular milk. I just put some almond milk for a little bit of sweetness in the coffee, and that's it. I drink it once a day, and in 2 weeks I lost 1.5 kilos, which is great. Getting ready for summer, working on that summer body. No, I'm just kidding, I'm just drinking coffee. Well, anyway, if you want to try it out, I'm gonna leave a link to their website down in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. In today's video, I am doing a very quick unboxing of a couple of things I got from SANDRO, actually the outlet of SANDRO, and here is the bag. So it is pretty close to Lausanne, but it's about 30, maybe 40 kilometers from Geneva. My husband had to go there nearby, and I had to stop by this outlet because they have Nike factory, and I had to get something for my little brother from there, but they didn't have anything, and we still had about an hour before all shops closed, and I saw that they now have SANDRO in the Aubon outlet. I could not resist it because I love SANDRO. I've been wearing their clothes for so many years now. I think ever since I found out about this brand. I think the very first time I went there was back in 2011, maybe 12. I can't even remember now, but this is one of my most favorite brands, clothing brands of all. They're based in Paris and their clothes are just so beautiful and so my style. And when I went inside, they had so many beautiful pieces. Unfortunately, since it is an outlet, not many sizes, but I found these two pieces and I was just in love. So let me quickly show you what I got. And also their prices are super good because from the retail price, I think they take about 40, maybe 50% off, and that's like an outlet price. And then on top of that, they do additional sales once in a while, and I was lucky because it's sales time now. So I got additional sales. I'll show you what I got and I'll share with you all the prices, and you're gonna flip because they're ridiculous. The very first item I got from them is a pair of jeans. The price was hilarious, but the jeans are so stunning. Oh my god. So they look pretty plain from the back, but when you turn them in the front, oh my god. How cool are these? They have this like thunderstrucks, And they're also embroidered with these beautiful white pearls, and I'm obsessed with pearls. Oh my god. And they're also a little bit distressed, like here and there. But this looks so beautiful. And at the bottom in here, I'll just try them on so you can see they are so gorgeous. They only had one pair left in my size. I was so lucky. So the retail price was 215 Swiss francs. Then the outlet price was 107, and on top of that it was 60% off, so I only got them for 40 to 80 Swiss francs. I think Zara jeans are more expensive than these ones, and these ones are also like embroidered with these beautiful white pearls. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. And also what I love about Sandro, and like the major difference you see between fast fashion brands and like better quality brands, more expensive ones, is this is not just embroidered and knitted into the jeans. They're actually like put together with this metal thingies. Can you see? So they don't fall off easily, and you can wash them and not be scared. And the second item that I got, I told you it was very quick unboxing, very random as well. But the second item is this beautiful denim jacket. I've been looking for a denim jacket for a couple of months now because I love denim jackets. They're my favorite. I wear them so much, and the one I have at the moment is getting really old right now, so I wanted to replace it with something new and something different, something unique, and I wanted to invest in a very good quality denim jacket. I'm not talking like Balenciaga $1,000 jacket. This is way too expensive for denim, I think, but I wanted to invest in a good quality jacket, something like this one from Sandro. And I've been looking in so many different stores and I couldn't find any. It was just so difficult to find the one that I would like, and I wanted a little bit oversized jacket, not like a slim fit jacket, and that was the hardest part. Oh my god, what is happening? This allergy is killing me. But I found this one, and as you can see, it also has the pearls, but not just on the sleeves, but also at the back. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh my god. And I love that all of them are in different sizes, so I don't know. When I saw it, I couldn't believe my eyes because it's so gorgeous, and I don't even understand how it didn't sell in the store because I've never seen it in the store. So maybe I've missed it, but at the same time it's good because I saved some money. And again, they've been using like this metal thingies to attach the pearls onto the jacket, and what's good about that is that they're not gonna fall off. But one of the negative things is that this jacket is now super heavy. It is very heavy because of all of these pearls and all of the metal that they attach the pearls to. But otherwise, it is such a beautiful jacket, and I love this like sort of vintage light wash. And it is also a little bit oversized, just like I wanted. So it's like the dream jacket for me, and the original retail price was 435 and the outlet price was 282, and they had additional 20% discount, so I got it for, I think it was 225. It is stunning and I'm so happy with these purchases. Yeah, this is what I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget about the giveaway. I'll also put a link to that video over here, so make sure to check it out. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.